Alright guys, in this part of the video for my 6 months on T and 1 month post-op update, I'm going to kind of go over the changes on T and then of course the test and how that's coming. Changes on T this past month, from 5 to 6, the big one has been my voice is starting to, I say this every month, it's starting to get lower. But honestly, like, we went back and looked at some earlier videos this month, and it was a big change. So that's been very, very helpful with passing and general happiness. Other than that, more hair, my face. Like, I did a little experiment, and I dyed my facial hair, because I really wanted it to show more, you know, but it's too fine, so it didn't look like hair, it just looked like my skin was dyed. So it didn't really, and plus, like, this side, there was a nice little, you know, you could see it, and this side there's hardly nothing, so I know which side is growing better. But, so I actually shaved it yesterday. I'm desperate for facial hair. I want it so bad, but it'll come. I mean, it's kind of disappointing that at 6 months I have, like, I can count the numbers of actual whiskers. There's like 2 and 1. And then the fuzzy stash, and then I get my sideburns are coming down. You know, it's happening. It's just, it's slow. So I can't wait to see what it's like. You know, hopefully from here on out it'll kick in and really start to grow. I'm hoping. Other than that, I don't know. Yeah, I heard one guy was saying, I still watch a lot of YouTube videos, and he was saying when he came out, he actually, like, shaved this part of his hair to, like, simulate the male hairline, and I'm not quite sure if I'm brave enough to really do that, but I think it's starting to be a little more, you know, how it should be, which is nice. I don't want to lose my hair, but I just want to lose a little bit, so it looks the way it should. Alright, as far as my chest, it was 1 month a couple days ago, and I'm so happy. It's been, you know, it's definitely the best thing. Actually, one of the best things that's ever happened. This past month has been amazing, just to wear shirts, and you know, passing has become so much easier. So I'm so much more accepted out in public as male instead of female, and yeah, I have to say, you know, I'm a little nervous. I'm so not used to showing off what I look like. My whole life it's been something I've hidden, my whole adult life. I don't think I cared when I was a kid, but so show it off is just weird, but I can now, and it's awesome. So, yeah, let me show you what my dress looks like. 1 month post-op. I was really big, and I had, like, I'm never going to be a shirtless model, and this is something I've accepted, and I'm okay with it. I got, like, Dr. G did an amazing job, I think, for what he was working with. I've got, like, stretch marks here and kind of along through here, so you can kind of see those, but whatever, you know. I took the bandages. I stopped putting bandages on the nipples about a few days ago, actually. So they're healing pretty good. There's still some stitches around through there, but they're pink, you know, they look good. I don't feel anything, but under here is healing. I'm putting the scar guard on, but it definitely wipes off. I'm going to use the whole bottle and then maybe switch to like Mederma or something to rub in. Here's a snipple. It's a little kind of raw. It'd be nice when the stitches come out. They actually like poke through my shirts. It's kind of funny. But here's that scar. So yeah, I'm trying my best to take care of them. I don't want to have really stretched scars and all that, but it is what it is. I'm not gonna be like crazy about it. Another thing, especially now that I've had top surgery, I really, really, really want to get in shape. It's something I've said before, but with the big things out here, it was just kind of like frustrating to me because I'd work out and they were there, and I felt like I couldn't really do what I wanted to do. But now I've been blessed to have the body that I've always wanted, and so I wanted to do the most with it that I can. So, I mean, this is me now. I've got belly. You know, I had a kid, so this belly's never going to be a six-pack. And I have to accept that and deal with it, but I'd like to get it to where it's at least flatter. I know it could definitely be flatter. And then, like, my upper body, and, you know, here's where I am now. So I'd like to get where it's way better. And my back, you know, that's where it is. As far as hair growth, like, I don't think you can see it on camera, but I've got like little hairs started all through my chest, and my belly's hairy. And then, like, I never had hair on my legs, and it's like crazy hairy. And that's my cat. Hi, Teddy. You know, I was very. It's amazing how happy like hair can make you, but I have hairy legs. Some trans guys are like hairy preety, and I wasn't, but I am now. So anyhow, I'm gonna keep posting my monthly updates, and along with like the healing and everything, I really want to post like conditioning. You know, like hold me accountable. You know, if you see in my videos I'm getting fat, tell me and be like, you need to work out, dude, because I really want to work out. I really want, like in the past when I was female, I even fit, I just was never happy. I hated it. And now, you know, I've got Chi and I've got top surgery, and I have no excuses not to make my body the way that I want it to be. So, that's it for now. I'm going to do another video and kind of wrap it in with this one. Emotional and social changes and kind of where I'm at half a year into this transition. So I'll see you in a little bit.